In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a pending Zelle payment in Bank of America. Zelle is designed to move money fast, often within minutes, so if you need to cancel a payment, timing is everything. The key thing to remember is that only payments that are still pending, meaning the recipient hasn't accepted them yet, can be cancelled. Once a payment is completed or accepted, it's final. Start by signing into your Bank of America account, either on the website or in the mobile app, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're logging in securely and on a trusted device. Once you're in, look for the Zelle section. On the app, you'll usually find it under transfers or payments, and on the website, it may appear as Zelle or payments transfers in the main menu. Next, open your Zelle activity or payment history. You're looking for the specific payment that shows a pending status. It might be labeled pending, processing, or something similar depending on your device. Double check the recipient and amount to make sure you've got the right payment. If you don't see a pending label, that almost always means the payment has already gone through and cannot be cancelled. When you've located the pending payment, select it to open the details, then choose Cancel. The bank will typically prompt you to confirm that you want to cancel. Read the confirmation carefully and proceed. If you're acting quickly enough, the cancellation should take effect right away. After you cancel, head back to your activity or history to verify that the status now shows cancelled. This is your confirmation that the transaction won't go through. You may also receive an in-app message or email confirming the cancellation. If you need a record, take a screenshot or note the confirmation details for your files. A quick note on timing: because Zelle payments are usually instant, you'll need to move fast if you spot an error. If the payment already shows as completed or accepted, it can't be cancelled through Zelle. In that situation, the best course is to contact the recipient and request a return. If you believe there's fraud or a mistake you can't resolve, reach out to Bank of America support for guidance. To avoid future problems, always confirm the recipient's email or mobile number before sending, and consider sending a small test amount the first time you pay someone new. That's it. Log in, navigate to Zelle, find the pending payment, cancel it, and confirm it shows as cancelled. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you act quickly and confidently when you need to cancel a Zelle payment.